Everyone, this is Coach Amy, isang full-time government employee na nagpa-part-time dito sa online opportunity na meron kami. And with me now, OFW from Taiwan, Coach Christina Pantaleon. And of course, yung isang government employee from
LGU Veruela.
Ayun. So, ayan pa si Coach Jan, na isang full-time government employee din. So, imagine nyo, kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng extra income or other source of income every month, or isa kang OFW na gustong makauwi for good sa Pinas, pwede mo tong gawin. 2 to 3 hours in a day, okay na yan. So, as long as you have the internet, the cellphone, and then, kailangan mo lang dito ng makapag-attend ng free online orientation, and of course, magkaroon ka ng account ID or user ID. Kasi dyan papasok lahat ng magiging income mo at lahat ng magiging transaction natin. So kung ikaw ay interested, message me now na. See you in my inbox. Bye!